Hi, welcome back to my channel. So starting off with this hairstyle, I'm going to be making a middle part all the way down, and I'm just using the comb part of my edge brush. You can use whatever you want to use for that. And then I went ahead and I tied up both sides to make sure that I had a straight part. It wasn't completely straight in the back, but it didn't really matter that much to me. So yeah, I went ahead and did that, and I checked it and it looked decent. So then I went ahead and I'm pulling some hair out in the front because I am going to be having like two bangs or like a two-piece bang in the front, if that makes sense. So I just went ahead and I'm parting it on both sides, and I tried to make it into like a square, and I tried to get it as even as I possibly could. And then once I got that, I went ahead and I tied it up. And I'm working on one side at a time. First, I'm spraying my hair down with water, and then I'm using my brush and detangling my hair. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie that part of my hair, and I'm putting it in like a loose ponytail, and I'm using my Aunt Jackie's gel and then also my Gorilla Snot gel, and I put that on, and I'm brushing my hair with a hard bristle brush. So then once I'm done brushing my hair up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a tighter ponytail. And then from there, I went ahead and I'm braiding my hair, or that section. I used to do buns, but I feel like doing a bun, it looks kind of bulky at the top, and I don't know, I can't seem to get my hair in a small enough bun to where it looks right. So I'm just braiding it, and I'm trying to keep it kind of weighed down also, so that when I do put the hair on, it's not gonna be like poking out, if you know what I mean. So then I went ahead and I'm now brushing and doing the same thing to the other side. So once I'm done braiding that side, I'm working on my edges, and I'm using my edge booster and my edge brush, and I'm just doing my edges how I normally would. So now I'm going ahead and focusing on the little bang part here, and I'm sorry I'm kind of out of focus here. I was like staring at the mirror that was like on my lap, so I wasn't all the way in like the camera frame, but you kind of can see what I'm doing. I'm taking more water, and I did put some conditioner on my hair too, that's why it's white. And I'm like finger coiling my hair. I first get it wet, and then I also like twist my hair at the very top, at the roots. I twist it so it won't like come apart or anything, and then I start to finger coil it towards the bottom. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It turned out really pretty actually. I might do this on my whole head. I was like looking at it and considering doing that. And yeah, so I went ahead and did that, and I'm pulling it behind my ear so it won't be in the way. And now I'm putting on the hair, the drawstring, not drawstring, but the ponytail. This one is the one that I had that I wrap around, so it's a lot easier. It's not like bulky or anything. And yeah, so I'm just taking it and wrapping it around my hair, as you can see, and you can just watch me do that. Alright, so that's how that side is looking, and I went ahead and did the same thing to the other side, and y'all can see that part. I know it's like really crooked, but if I was really like wearing this out, it would be fixed and it would look right. But I just noticed it now while watching the video, like it's really crooked and like not matching up, but it's fine. So yeah, on that part, I'm just wrapping the last little part around the base of my ponytail. And this is how they're looking. I had to go back on the other side and fix it a little bit because there was a piece that I had left out, but I went ahead and fixed it, and it looks a lot better. And so this is the final result and how my hair turned out. I had to pull the little bang things to the front to make it look better. But yeah, this is where the hair lands on me and how long it is. And with all that being said, hope you guys liked the video and everything that I showed. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.